making dinner and waiting for rice to cook before I can finish making dinner. So I'm going to introduce you to our headboard and all of our stuffed animals. Not all of them, just the ones on the headboard. This is Ollie. Andrew gave him to me, and when I worked at Michael's I kept him in my pocket, and that's why his head is so dirty, is because when I would feel stressed I would pet him and it would make me feel better. And I made him a little shawl. This is the wizard that Tetsubo's wife Lara knitted for me, crocheted for me, sorry about that. This is the scary teddy from The Nightmare Before Christmas, I found that in Disneyland. This is Spider. He has traveled now to Disneyland twice. You can see his hat from the first time and his bow tie from Dapper Day. This is Blueberry. This is one of Andrew's old toys. I made him that hat. This is Hoppy. I gave him to Andrew for Easter last year, and I knitted him little bunny ears so that he looked like a bunny. He's actually a donkey. That is Gangrene. It's a disease, so he stays in the corner. These are some little rose thingies I've crocheted. This is the Scarecrow. I picked him up because he was so cute. His friend over here is Batman. I also picked them up together because they were so cute. This is Spider's fat cousin, and this is another rose. And then we have Charderp, Theo, Stanley, Nanny, and what's the cat's name? What's the kitty's name?
I was supposed to call you.
What's the kitty's name?
I don't know. What does it say?
I thought you had a name for it.
No, I never did.
Oh, the kitty's name is Mimi, but we think it's a boy, so whatever. And this is Verb. He's such a happy little llama with a little Link hat on. And this is Andrew.
Nah.
I love you.
It's not exactly my best side here.
And that is our bed, which we are sitting on right now. I'm going to go see if I can finish dinner now. Hopefully the rice is done. Bye.